Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to help you learn how to log into WeChat application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your WeChat application. If you've not downloaded the app yet, tap open your Play Store and search for WeChat, and once you've done with the downloads, simply tap open the application. From the first interface of WeChat, to log into your account, simply hit the login button in green at the bottom left. On the next page, select your region from the region text box and choose your country from the list. Once you do that, enter your mobile number in the next text field. If you want to view other login options, tap Other Login Options and you'll be able to log into WeChat with your WeChat ID, your email address, your QQ ID, or even with your Facebook. After you're done typing in your phone, tap Next. Allow WeChat to access to photo medias and files on your device by tapping Allow more access, and now enter the password for your WeChat account in the next page. In case you've forgotten your password while logging into your WeChat, you can also log in via SMS verification code. To do so, choose the link right here where it says login via SMS verification code, and you'll get to enter the SMS code that will be sent to your mobile number that you've typed in. To receive the code, tap on Send. Confirm your mobile number from the pop-up and tap on OK if it is correct. Wait for a few seconds until you receive the code. Once you receive the code, type in the code in the text box and tap on Login. You'll need to go through a security verification. If prompted, tap on Start to verify, and you can choose one of the following methods to verify your identity. You can either verify your identity by answering security questions, you can verify via QR code, or you can also ask to verify your account to one of your friends in order to log in. And soon after you do that, you'll be logged into WeChat, quick and easy. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.